Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching a 4-star hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location, reviews and nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay.
Its review rating is 8.4,
Which is the very good.
A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel.
We talk about the amenities of this hotel, so you can see on the screen. Guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserve the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Guests love to enjoy the surroundings. Rooms are available. Offers are available online for this hotel, along with various meal plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For more details, check description